Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to Madam Arfni and all the audience. Today we would like to present an assignment by title Designing an Information Security Awareness Program, which is we have chosen KPJ BERHAD for our research company. First of all, we would like to address our thankful to Madam Arfni for her guidance to complete this research. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce our team members. First, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Hamdi Barazi. I'm working together with my friends Muna Syahira Muhammad Kamal, Nur Azrim binti Muhammad and Rosnida binti Jusoh. As we know, KPJ Healthcare BERHAD is a well-known private healthcare services. So we want to do research at this organization. We want to see whether the KPJ Healthcare Group already fit their information security system. So we interview their IT personnel in one of the KPJ BERHAD branch, which is from KPJ branch at Petaling Jaya. KPJ BERHAD vision is dedicated to have collaboration with the technology, experienced doctor and well-trained staff in order to give the best diagnosis and treatment plans. As the mission of KPJ BERHAD, they wants to improve the health of the people and communication that they serve. Led by skilled and caring medical staff, they are consistently focused on clinical excellence and innovative technology for superior patient outcomes. As for objective of KPJ BERHAD, their value ecosystem centers on managing a network of hospitals supported by strategic investment in a diversified portfolio. They are in a position to create sustainable long-term value for all the stakeholders. So we interview an IT personnel at KPJ Healthcare. So after the interview, we can highlight the issue that raised in the KPJ Healthcare itself. First one is difficult to monitor the employees on email and internet misuse. So every employees in the healthcare BERHAD provided by internet access, but the IT personnel don't have any ways to monitor the usage of internet of the employees. Furthermore, KPJ Healthcare IT personnel also have a problem when an employee download a virus containing files and from an email address or from an insecure website sources. So this but after the interview, the IT personnel told us that this problem always and keep happen. So it may affect the server and the data in the computer. From the interview with IT personnel also, we found that they having lack of training and awareness program in the KPJ Healthcare BERHAD. Okay, that's all from me. So now we proceed with the next presenter. Please be welcome.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Muna Syahira. Today I would like to present the issue that happening in KPJ Healthcare BERHAD regarding the information security. First issue we have found out is there's a lack of training to the IT personnel, to the employees, and to the top management. To IT personnel, we have found out that they are lack of training on how handling the incident within the information security, and also to the employees that there are lack of training on how they manage the personal information, and also how to manage KPJ Healthcare BERHAD information so that it's not been attacked by virus and whatnot. Second issue that happening is also a virus attack. There's a few virus attack incident happen in KPJ Group BERHAD. This is what happening in one of their subsidiaries, which is KPJ Pharma Serve Alliance. Because there's one incident happened when one of their antivirus was deleted from the IT personnel, because it was found out this is a human error. Because of the virus attack, there was delaying of the work process in the whole KPJ. Next is the third issue that happening in KPJ, which is there's no awareness on information security, especially to the employees, because we have found out that there's no email notification, there's no reminder from the IT department itself on how they want to manage the email phishing link and how to manage the suspicious link. Because of no awareness, so that they will simply click on the email, on the link, because this will harm to the KPJ information security. So it is a must for them to get awareness on it. Lastly, the issue that happening in KPJ is, after we investigate and interview the IT personnel, we have found out that there is lack of monitoring on the information security process within their work process, especially when there's a complete policy on how they handle, but there's less monitoring, especially from IT department. Because of this, the employees are simply download from the unauthorized website, and also do their personal work in KPJ office. With the 4 issue that happening in KPJ Healthcare BERHAD, we are come out with a few recommendation, and also we want to propose to KPJ Healthcare BERHAD to help them to fill in the gap within their information security system. Therefore, I would like to pass the baton to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azrin binti Mohammed. I will share recommendation on InfoSec for KPJ Healthcare Group. After our team reviewed their EWASP, which is Enterprise-Wide Information Security Manual, they have stated about the training and awareness security policies. But after we interview the IT personnel, that she said this company not provide a proper training, which is the last record training in 2019. So they're not provide any training in 2020 and 2021. So our team recommend for this company to provide more training, more knowledge to all employees about the security policies for their company to keep their data, to secure their data. So the first we recommend follow exactly like SETA, and then training for newcomers for all required policies regarding info security, which is for those join KPJ Healthcare, they need to give a training for newcomer. So all employees must know about the security policies, and they also must highlight what is the impact if they did not know about the security policies. Same goes to existing employees. Refresh training also must provide at least quarterly or yearly to refresh what is security policies for the company. So and then the fourth is training on incident handling. They need to know how to handle what the incident in their company about the security. So the last is set up online safe training system with e-certificate and due date to finish, which is as we know, this company have a e-latte system for training, but not proper use. So we suggest they are to upgrade this system to monitor itself for training. So for this our recommendation, we calculate for their budget almost 135,000, which is the expenses for upgrade e-latte training, but which that that system is usable for all employees and companies. And then for training newcomer is 4,500 for 1 day. Refresh training IT 5,000 1 day, and training on computer security and accident handling is 4,000. So the total is 135,000. So that's from me, and now I pass to my team members, Rusnida. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rusnida binti Juso. Okay, right now I would like to share on the benefit of designing this program. First foremost, the benefit of this program is to ensure that employees are able to have clear understanding on information security. Besides that, it is to ensure that the company information is secure and at the same time able to avoid virus attack from hackers. And lastly, the benefit of designing this program is to ensure that no delay happens when employees access the working system. This is because with information security policy, it is able to provide guideline or direction in order to secure the organization against both internal and external threats. As such, when there are any threats happens, the organization will be able to secure their information files, and at the same time, the organization itself can save their time and money. Okay, that's all from me, and now I will pass this floor to the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, as to conclude this presentation today, we highlighted the functional way to overcome this issue and threat from occurring in KPJ Healthcare. We also explained in detail the to propose policy, risk management, life cycle planning, personnel or user issue, resources, scenarios, and strategies. Also, we also want to highlight and suggest the KPJ Healthcare to refer to the CETA plans, training and awareness program to develop in the program. And also, this presentation and this research on the research in KPJ Healthcare have exposed us to aware that the importance of developing an information security program in our company also. So that's all from us. Thank you everyone.